Welcome to Fastloans123.com. Today we'll explore the world of personal loans and how they can help you achieve your financial goals. What is a personal loan? Imagine you need some extra cash for a significant purchase, consolidating debt, or covering unexpected expenses. That's where a personal loan comes in. A personal loan is a fixed amount of money borrowed from a bank, credit union, or online lender, which you pay back over time in monthly installments. It can be used for various purposes, providing you with flexibility in managing your finances. Personal loans often provide a lump sum of money, allowing you to access funds quickly. This way you can address your financial needs promptly without tapping into your savings. When applying for a personal loan, several factors come into play, such as your credit score, income, and financial history. These elements help lenders determine the terms and interest rate for your loan. Speaking of interest rates, personal loans typically come with fixed interest rates. This means your monthly payments remain consistent throughout the repayment period, making it easier to budget and plan your finances. Now, let's talk about Fastloans123.com. It's important to note that Fastloans123.com is not a lender or broker. We are an affiliate site that helps you connect with multiple lenders online. Fastloans123.com acts as a resource, providing you access to a network of lenders which can help you get the loan you're looking for. So if you're in need of a personal loan, visit Fastloans123.com today and let us help connect you to online lenders who can assist you in achieving your financial goals.